Charles Juan. For the qualifiers, we will be announcing also the top scorers who will be awarded with some goodies from Sharks. So,
Lois. Akin daw cellphone ko, i-check ko.
I'd like to invite Ms. Rose of Shark Calculators to be with us and award the goodies to the top scorers. There are qualifiers. From the qualifiers, you also choose some of the top scorers they met a particular score. Okay? So, for the grade 3 qualifiers, we're going, for all the qualifiers, you're going to receive a medal. Okay. And again, as I said, from some of the qualifiers will receive some goodies from Shark Calculators. And for the grade 3 qualifiers, all of them are also top scorers. So we're going to receive all the goodies. Let's start. Grade 3 qualifiers from Davao Center, Precious International School,
Go.
Clarissa Luis Dalio. From Iloilo Center,
Go there.
Domingo Elementary School,
Go.
Kyla Jane Isman. And from Iloilo Center, Solomon Integrated School, de Iloilo, we have Sumbiro Rika Gray. And from Butuan City Center, Rainbow of Angels Learning Center, to Maneng Shira Delhi. They are the qualifiers and also the top scorers for grade 3. They're going to receive some goodies from Shark Calculators and a medal for the qualifiers. We would like to invite Ms. Rose of Shark Calculators to be on the stage to award some goodies with the grade 4 now. Shark Calculators. For the grade 4 qualifiers, and again, all of them are top scorers, therefore they will receive goodies from Shark Calculator from Children Integrated School of Alta Tierra, Iloilo Center, Delia Jane Brania. Delia Jane Brania. Grade 4 qualifiers. Another from Iloilo Center, Ateneo de Iloilo, Maxine Luis Dominique Paul. The qualifiers, Mr. State. From Butuan City Center, Raul Joshua Lundaga. And from Baguio City Center,
Here. Lois.
Erika Emmanuel Pantaleon. And these are your grade 4 qualifiers.